Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 10. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. The respondent who was employed as a teacher under the government of Haryana claimed advance increment in terms of Punjab government memo dated 1st September 1960. The Director of Secondary Education, Haryana, rejected the claim on the premise that in terms of Rule 10 of the Punjab Education Service Class 3 School Cadre Rule 195, the pay scale of the teacher were subject to variation from time to time, and since the state of Haryana revised the pay scale of various categories of teacher 1st December 1967, memo dated 1st September 1960 stood superseded. He also observed that higher start of pay with advance increment for the postgraduate qualification was provided only to masters or mistresses and not to other categories of teacher. The High Court allowed the writ petition and directed that the respondent be given advance increment in terms of the Punjab government memo and the letter of the government of Haryana. Aggrieved, the state of Haryana filed the appeal. The teachers employed under the government of Haryana could claim benefit of the higher pay scale, advance increment, etc. in terms of the policy decision taken by the government of undivided Punjab and instruction issued by it only till the revision of their pay scale, which were made effective from 1st December 1967 and not thereafter. The question of the revision of pay scale of the teachers employed under the government of Haryana was considered by the Education Commission, which is also known as Kothari Commission. The recommendation made by the Commission were accepted by the President of India and were implemented by the state government with effect from 1st December 1967. After revision of the pay scale of various categories of teacher, the government of Haryana issued instruction for grant of monetary benefit in the form of personal pay to those government servants who improved their qualification by undertaking further studies within the country and abroad. Further, by letter, all the existing instructions were superseded and fresh instructions were issued on the subject. However, the decision contained in letter and other related communication were withdrawn by the state government by their letter. The High Court erred in accepting the plea of the respondent that revision of the pay scale of teacher with the retrospective date did not result in automatic supersession of the existing policy decision. Thank you.